In this video, you'll see some essential tools for building a presentation, including how to add, rearrange, duplicate, hide, and delete slides. In Microsoft PowerPoint for the web. For each task, we'll start from the Home tab, and then look at right-click and keyboard options where they're available. To insert a new slide, first click the slide in the Slides pane, after which you want the new slide to appear. On the Home tab, click New Slide. A gallery of preset layouts appears. Click the layout you want, and PowerPoint inserts a new slide using that layout. You can also right-click a slide thumbnail in the Slides pane and choose New Slide. If you want to change the layout of an existing slide, select the slide in the Slides pane, go to the Home tab, and click Slide Layout. Choose a different layout from the gallery, and it's applied immediately. You can also right-click the slide thumbnail and use Layout from the context menu to switch to another design. To rearrange slides, simply use the Slides pane. Click and hold a slide thumbnail, drag it to a new position in the list, and release the mouse. PowerPoint moves the slide to its new spot. To duplicate a slide, start again with the Home tab. Select the slide you want to copy, go to Home tab and find the icons next to New Slide, and choose Duplicate Slide. You can also right-click the slide thumbnail and select Duplicate Slide from the shortcut menu. If you prefer the keyboard, select the slide and press Ctrl+D to create a copy directly after the original. To hide a slide so it doesn't appear during the slideshow, right-click the slide thumbnail in the Slides pane and choose Hide Slide. The slide number gets a line through it to show it's hidden, but you can still edit the slide. To show it again, right-click and choose Unhide Slide. Finally, to delete slides, select the slide in the Slides pane and go to the Home tab. Click Delete to remove the selected slide. You can also right-click the slide thumbnail and choose Delete Slide. If you like using the keyboard, select one or more slides, holding Ctrl to select multiple, and press Delete to remove them. Using these tools from the Home tab, the right-click menu, and keyboard shortcuts makes it easy to build, organize, and refine the overall structure of your presentation before you focus on the slide content.